Handling multiple insurance policies can be a hassle and unmanageable. HDFC Ergo mobile app is the single app for many solutions related to your insurance policies on the go. Our customers can link multiple insurance policies with this app. Details of non-HDFC Ergo policies can also be stored in the app for easy reference. This is the home screen of the app. Emergency tab is on the top of the home screen of the app, so the customer can just tap to make a call to the call center. Enthusiast driver can even track the driving behavior using the app with its Drive Safe feature. This feature can be accessed by both HDFC Ergo customers as well as non-customers. This feature allows the driver to calculate the driving score, giving an insight on driving behavior. Customer can now geolocate the nearest network garage or hospital or branch with the tabs at the bottom of the app. Special offers to our privileged customers on services are offered by our network service providers. This can be viewed from the Customer Delight section. On selecting the dashboard, the customer needs to log in. Customer also has an option to log in with his Facebook account. Once he signs in, it shows a list of all the linked policies in single window. On selecting a single policy from the list, it will show all the details of that particular policy. Customer can request the policy details on email. Can access the e-health card under this health policy. Register claim under that policy. Request for changes in the policy. Access pre-filled claim form. Customer can also track the claim of that particular policy. Next to dashboard is the services tab. With this, the customer can do many self-help services like renew the linked policy from here, make changes in his policy details, initiate a claim registration on this app without any hassles, contact emergency services like roadside assistance. eLocker allows to store important documents at a single place, making easier to access. Documents can be categorized by bucketing them to different categories like personal documents, insurance documents, school receipts, warranty cards, etc. This feature can be accessed by both HDFC Ergo customers as well as non-customers. To avoid missing on policy renewal dates, the app automatically sets renewal reminders. With the product menu section, the customers as well as non-customers can buy insurance policies across the categories like motor, health, travel and home. For quick actions, a side menu is also available on the app. This side menu lets the customer connect to various services. Toll-free number tab directly places a call to the call center. Customers as well as non-customers can access ambulance contact directly from here. My Profile section can be accessed from here to make changes in the profile. Reset Password allows to change the password. My Interaction section allows to view and track the interactions with customer care. Customer can write his or her feedback directly from Feedback section. HDFC Ergo mobile app. Absolute convenience.